If we check this photo, we find two things. First, the backward here, it's more than flat than the one we have, and here this right side, and of course the left one, is also more flat. So we need to get back to our water pump piece, and I need to go to top view by pressing T, and I need to push these group of vertices just slightly like this. That's what we get. So now we solved this problem. Maybe we need to get inward a bit. And now I go to top view again, and I need to select the outer row from the right and left side. It's a bit tricky because I have two columns. They are sort of beside each other. We lift this one. Okay, that's for this side. What we need to do, we do it for one side at each. So I need to scale it on the x-axis. And then to have the difference, we need to push it outward, not much. I will do the same for this group here. I'll select this outer edge. I need to zoom in so I can see the difference between these two. Okay, so the same scale, x-axis, and then push outward, similar amount to the one we see here. Fine. So now I go to perspective view to check everything. Another thing is that if you look here, we have this edge, it's different. We have this upper edge and then this curve. So I need to go to front view and select this row right here and push it upward. But first I need to deactivate or activate ignore backspacing. I need to make sure it's checked. Okay, so I select this middle group of vertices. I need to make sure I didn't accidentally select anything else. So nothing selected. Fine. I get back to front view, and all I need to do is just to push these upward. Okay. Maybe that's fine. Get back to perspective view to see everything we have done, and we don't need to use turbo smooth to make sure we're working fine or not, because we have a temporary selection mode here under modeling edit. We have the use norms that can let you see how your object will look like when you use the turbo smooth. So as you can see, it looks fine and I like it. Okay. Okay, that's it for now. Let me deactivate it, and what we need to do next is to create this creasing edge in the middle. But as you can see, the edge in the middle, which is this one, it's not appropriately in the middle. The upper one, the upper edge here is larger, or the upper part is larger than the lower one. So that edge here in the middle is the one I need, but unfortunately it's not even. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to edge mode, double click to select it. I go to left view by pressing L, then I use Ctrl to change my selection mode to vertex while keeping it. I use the scale mode to scale it on the y-axis. And now what I need to do, I need to go to edge mode again, double click this edge and drag it up. Same for this one. So now I have this edge. I believe its position, maybe I should still drag this up. I believe its position is fine. And okay, if we check the size, I think we can make it bigger a bit, and then I go to edge mode and drag this guy downward just a little bit. Fine. So get back to perspective view by pressing P, and how we can use this edge by using extrude, of course. And here in extrude I see what was the default looking. It was 3 by default, and here what we do, we change both values. We needed to get inside with -3 value, and we need to change this value to 0.2. Let me activate the use norm so I can see the effect. So what we do 2 extrudes. I press plus and then I press OK. So I can get this creased extrude. Now I go to, I'm still on edge mode. I need to select this edge right here. Let me deactivate the norm. I need to select this edge, and use chamfer for both of them with a minor value of 0.3. And let's make it two steps. Activate the use norm, and I think that's what we need. So I press OK. So we created this effect in our box, and let me continue to the next tutorial.